Hey ArcadeOps family, the official enrollment forms for the Google Cloud Arcade Facilitator program is out. So in this video, I'll be guiding you how to properly fill that form. So this is the guide which will be provided to you. Now here you can see this is the official enrollment form. You just click on it. And I believe everybody is done with all this above steps which we covered in the previous video, which will be present in this playlist. So if you're not done with these 3 steps, so please follow this get started video first, then fill this form. Now, I'll just click on next. Now, you have to accept this consent and you'll have to go through its terms and conditions. Click on next. Fill your personal details. I'll be cutting this part. Now, as you can see, this is the referral code which you will be finding over here as well. So make sure that this referral code is properly put over here because this program is a facilitator program. And make sure that there is no space over here and just make sure that you have a clean account with no or few batch completions. Then I believe everybody is already having their Google Cloud Skillbus profile URL, which is a public URL. And I had created it already and saved it. So this is my public profile URL. I'll even check it over here. If I paste this URL, I can see my profile. See. Now I'll confirm this once again. There you go. I'll be pasting it over here. Now you'll click on next. Now you need to acknowledge some consents. Go through the code of conduct as well. Now after filling this form, we'll be getting a mail in order to receive our credit pass, which will have our 600 credits, which we'll be using to perform labs. Okay. So if you are filling this form properly, you'll definitely and for sure get this email for claiming your subscription. There you go. You hit on submit and you have properly submitted the Arcade Facilitator 2025 Cohort 1 enrollment forms. Thank you very much, guys. We'll see you in the next one.